Ordina. There's actually another piece to this that I was holding for Katie. So hold on. There's directions on there about how to use it.
Did you tear the instructions? What's it called?
It's called Sex in the Shower.
Yes!
I'm gonna write my mom and be like, for Christmas, I got that show and Sex in the Shower. She'll be like, come home. Oh my God, parade!
Are there Sex in the Showers left at this time?
I'm not sure if there are any left.
This is also so I cannot have this. We need to clarify because it doesn't say don't eat on here. Thank you guys. I'm like, what are you getting done? Having sex in the shower? What kind of happy thing? No, thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much.
Totally not taking the movie.
Okay.
No, she should. She should. I'm definitely taking it. I know. No. Jessica and Lara hanging out in the corner. Elizabeth again. Oh, there's Anna and Aaron and Megan and Mons are back there too. And we are having a grand old time at the Christmas party. Is that everybody? Jessica. Yes, I really want to know. Who is that for?
To nature and Nature Bear, and I was like, maybe it's environmental. I was like really freaking out when I saw it. I was like, oh my God, I really want that.
Yep, we're good. This cote is good.
They changed to each other. Are you shaking?
Have you guys really not increased the starting yet?
I'm just moving it up.
Oh, yes. I don't know how we got each other.
And then,
I was like taking a nap. And I was like, they're so whack. Oh my God.
Okay, wait. I really want to know what this is, Lara.
what's like your favorite new store?
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh wait, that's not sure.
I really hope I'm getting this. Caitlin. Yes.
This is a video?
Yes.
Hi everybody.
Did you like your gift? I did like my gift, Lara Beverly. See? Oh, good. I'm so glad you gave it to me.
Do you know whose gift I liked?
Who's Brianna?
The gift from Joanna that I received.
Can we show it off? Yes.
In the hair.
Yes. There's
The
definitely.
tortoise in the hair. Oh my God! We're in France. Jean Le Fontaine.
Was that really Jean Le Fontaine?
You really just disrupted the party. Please excuse us.
Sorry, bye. Well done. It is quite a bet.
Why did it take us that long? I don't know why we just.
I need a good ending for this movie, and I just don't have one yet, so I'm just still going. What did you get?
I had no idea. And then I looked like a treat on the
Oh yeah. Merry Christmas.
Everyone, if you have not signed,
Lorelei, look like you're jousting. I love it.
what are you doing?
Oh, well, getting in front of the tree, obviously.
Oh, are we? Oh, we're unwrapping it. It takes two people to unwrap this present. I see. Is there a cracker inside of it? That's really all I want to know.
She has no idea.
Did y'all sign Madame's card? Did you sign Madame's card? I'm taking a video of you, by the way. Everyone looks like a train wreck.
I have a turtle in my hand.
Oh my god, I had no idea. You're a hammock.
Ah!
That is sweet.
That is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Who is it for? Is it for you? You got a hammock?
I'm buying that hammock. I'm buying that hammock.
Where's the store?
It's like right next to Galeries Lafayette.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this is an amazing store.
Okay, we're going.
It's for the singles.
Bon appetit! Yay! Yay, Christmas! Happy Christmas, everybody!
Merry